Spoiler alert, I have 4 bags. Oh, let me just pull this out for you. Hi everyone. Oh my God. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. So it is late. Well, it's not late. Let's see. It's 6:20. It feels really late because it gets dark at like 4, which is crazy. But we've been out all day and I got a bunch of stuff from KATE SPADE, and this is the first time I'm ever getting KATE SPADE bags. Spoiler alert, I have 4 bags. 3 of them are mine, 1 of them was a gift. This is the first time shopping at KATE SPADE. Look how cute these bags are, by the way. Hello. This isn't, I would wear this bag as a normal bag. I probably shouldn't do that. Anyways, I could not wait to show you guys. First of all, I want to get these out of the bag and I want to put them up nicely in my closet because they are going to be a decoration piece, quite frankly. And I want to use them, and I'm getting ready to go out of town. So I wanted to go ahead and do this unboxing really quickly. Unbagging? Would you call it an unbagging? They're not in boxes, they're in bags. I'm gonna do this unbagging for you really quickly. I wanted to get it on film. I know some of you guys would wanna watch it. I love watching unbaggings. And I don't really see too many KATE SPADE. I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got today. I'm gonna start with the little. This one was actually, oh, let me show you all the bags I have. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah, I'm excited. This first one I'm gonna start off, it's a little bag. It was actually a gift for my au pair. If you don't know what an au pair is, she watches my baby during the day when I'm working. I work a lot and she works a lot and she works very hard and she's amazing. So we got this for her. We just wanted to give her a little bit of a gift, a little bit of an early Christmas gift. So this is hers, so I'm gonna unbox that first. So here it is. Ta-da! It is so cute. This one's called the Small Dodie. It's in black and it has a handle, and I think you can, oh no, it's a crossbody bag. Here it is. We'll make sure the camera's picking up on it nicely. It's like a little crossbody, and here's the inside. It's got a dust bag in there, which is nice. Always a nice thing to have, a dust bag. So I don't know that I would actually keep it in a dust bag, but I will definitely keep the dust bags, maybe drape over them and like wipe them off every here and there. They don't get dusty and nasty. Yep, so this was a gift. She kindly let me unbox it for you guys. I'm gonna go give this back to her after this filming, but this was our au pair Emma's gift. Thank you, Emma, for being so awesome. I'm gonna start with the bigger bag. Here we go. Ooh, KATE SPADE. These cute bags. My goodness, I love it. So this next one is mama bag. I do need a replacement for my bag that I normally keep all like my diapers and even my laptop and stuff in. So this one I'm going to use all the time. Here we go. It's over here actually. Isn't it so cute? And it's huge. Like it'll fit everything in here. Here it is. All right, so there's the There's the blag. Black and white. I know my light is really washing it out right now. Here he goes, there's the inside. It fits a lot of stuff, and there's got 2 zippers, one right here and one right here. Let me just grab my laptop and see if it fits in there. Okay, here's my laptop. Oh yeah, that'll definitely fit in there. That's perfect actually. Bingo bango, here we go. Yes, oh, this is definitely gonna be go-to for travel. I'm super excited about this one. This one is called the Kona. Oh, I knew that. Actually, I looked it up when I got it and I just happen to love Konas, so hello, that's perfect. Yep, so my black and white Kona bag. By the way, I'm sorry, I'm like so haggard. It's been a long day and I'm really, really tired. Like my makeup's all messy and blah, 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 but you guys don't care, right? You guys are cool. Refreshing. Let's do a color one because the last one's black and white too. Let's do the medium-sized bag. I think this one, it's hard to say, but I think this one might be my favorite. Okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at it. Oh, it's washed out from my camera. Here you go. You see it? There it is. In case you can't tell, the straps are pink. the light pink, this is white, and this is like a maroon, reddish maroon. And this is the Cameron medium. It's a medium satchel. So you can hold it like this, but it also has the satchel bit. So you can wear it crossbody as well. So let me just take this off real quick so you can see it. Sorry I'm looking so haggard. Like I can see myself in the, ooh. Can't always be perfect. I don't know. Can't always be perfect. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Boop, boop, beep, bop, boop. Man, that's a lot of packaging to take off. I guess I really want to protect it. I can support that. So, there's the bag. And here's the satchel bit. Let me put it on. Where does it go? Oh my God, I'm such a noob. Here it is, right there. Boo! The inside, quite spacious, although it has all that crap in it right now. And it should also have a dust bag. I really hope it has a dust bag. I don't see one, but I'd be pretty TO'd. I'd be really TO'd if I didn't have one. So that's my second bag. All right, moving on to the fourth and final bag, but quite possibly my favorite one. Let me just pull this out for you. Focus. Let me put this up to the camera so you guys can see. There you go, black and white. Can you see it? Kate Spade. I really like the black and white. I love it. And it just goes with everything. This one is called the Birdie, spelled B-Y-R-D-I-E, in black cement. Okay, that's fancy. Fancy word of saying black and white. Hang on, how do I open this thing? Like, need help. There's the inside, and it does have a dust bag. Hallelujah. And I'll show you what the dust bag looks like too. Just keeping it nice. There you go, boop. And this bag is so cute. It's got like little stripies. Oh, here, let me show you. The stripes on the inside. Very, very cute. I love it. This is like kind of a smaller bag, so I would say I don't have the baby with me, which is almost never. I will use this bag, or I would have to have a separate diaper bag. The big bag's really what I'm gonna be using probably all the time. It's a few weeks later, and I just wanted to show you what I did. I kept those bags. I wanted to use them as decoration in my closet. I thought they looked so cute with the rest of my bags. Hey, Summer, how you doing? Hi. But anyways, yeah, so the only bag I actually have on display is this one because I don't use it every day because it's not big enough. So the other two I'm actually using. They're not on the display right now, but yeah, I thought that was really cute. I wanted to keep them. I'm not sure if we should throw those away, but I'm a hoarder, so I didn't throw them away. And look at this. Doesn't that look so cute? I love it. A little bit of a closet tour, tiny little bit. Maybe I'll do a closet tour one day, I don't know. Isn't it so cute up there? I love it. Really, like, I can never get rid of those. Are they supposed to be garbage? I just wanted to show you these bags because, like I said, they're in use. This one is very much used. I took it to the airport a few times already, not any scratches. Well, looks like a little one there, but you can't even tell. I just want to show you how it was wearing, and also I can fit my entire life in here. It's got like 10 million diapers, a beanie for the baby, like literally everything, and there's so much more room. Overall, very happy with this bag. But yes, and it looks good with my little chair there. Then we have this beauty, which I use every day, and actually you can see the pink better now when it's sunlight. Also wearing very well, just a little tiny scratch here, but other than that, it is holding up so well. Even the white is, you know, you just wipe it off. It's no big deal. Let's see inside. Tons of area to put things. I literally have like everything in here. I have a charger, I have 2 pairs of sunglasses, my wallet, travel documents for summer, a deodorant, like literally, and you know, mom stuff. I think they both look super cute in the room. Love the aesthetics. Yes. That's my haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was a really quick video. I also actually got this cashmere sweater today, which is like a little oversized, like soft thing, but it's not part of the haul. Just thought I'd mention it because I'm wearing it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I love you so much. I can't wait to see you on the next haul. And also, please drop in the comments down below. I don't shop at Kate Spade very often, but like, what is your favorite Kate Spade item? Do you like the bags? Do you like the shoes? Please tell me, educate me. I really want to know. I want to start shopping there. So, what is your favorite thing? Or you prefer Michael Kors? Actually, Michael Kors is where I normally shop, but I've kind of been really into Kate Spade recently. I don't know, I like really cutesy stuff and I'm sort of into that, so. As always, I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you next time. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, bye.